The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 7:30 p.m. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Deal, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Boats could suffer significant damage in high winds and hail. Locations impacted include Choptank River, North Beach, Herring Bay, Black Linnet Point, Poplar Island, Shadyside, Gilman Island, Chesapeake Beach, and Deal. The following is a marine weather statement. For the following marine locations, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, and Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland to the Little Choptank River. Isolated wind gusts around 20 knots. A few west to southwest wind gusts around 20 knots are possible through early this evening over the tidal Potomac River from Indian Head to Smith Point and the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to Smith Point, including the nearby estuaries. Mariners, especially those in smaller vessels, should exercise extra caution if navigating the waters in these conditions. For the following areas, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay. At 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Greenbury Point, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher wind and waves capsizing their vessel.